Hello, Ashleigh-Ann. It's intern Nanine Query. I just want to take this time to say thank you for all the hard work and the efforts and energy that you have put into this internship and all the extra explanations that you have done. Well, for me, I don't know about everybody else. So I never usually understand anything on the first try. So I want to thank you for taking the time out to explain these things to me and for extended periods and for all your encouraging words. Oh my gosh, this was a nice piece, all the nice things that you have said. And we know that you're busy and you have other things doing, but you have taken the time out. And for this period, I enjoyed being your intern or being an intern to live well. And I want to thank you for being our supervisor. Thank you for being the best supervisor. Bye. Oh, and I will be telling people about this internship and how great our supervisor was.
I just want to say about Ashley that we have really appreciated all the things that you've done for us and going through everything with us. Sometimes we forget things, and you're like, guys, remember we have this thing to do, we have that thing to do, and don't worry about it, it won't be stressful. And you're the first one to root us on if anything is going on, if we have the production for the radio show, or if we have a PSA, or if we have a blog. You're like, oh my gosh, I love this so much, it's so great, you did such a good job. You're always the type of person to encourage us in anything that we do. If it's not done right, you say, you can do this a little better, and you can do a little, you can fix up that, but it's really good, and I like your effort, and that kind of thing. And it's never put down, and even if you're correcting us, we don't feel any way about it. um and it was just really a good opportunity to take part in the internship, even though we titled the theme survival of the fittest. It's not a reflection of you, Ash. It's not a reflection of you, it's a reflection of all the hard work that we've been going through, and we do appreciate your help in every step of the way, because you have totally helped us. And so I just want to say, me, Dominic Tiffany Alana Walters, I really appreciate it. We really appreciate it. Everything that you've done for us. Thanks.
Hi! I want to say a major thank you to Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt, manager of Well Jamaica, for facilitating our media internship and allowing myself and the other interns to participate. I hope that this is a program that you continue, and that you continue to impact other persons that are interested in the world of media. I'd like to thank you for your guidance and your contribution towards my success and achievements throughout this internship. And yes, so just a big ups to you, Ashleigh-Ann. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Marian McCallum, and I had the amazing opportunity to be a part of the Well Jamaica July to October 2020 media internship. When I first came into the internship, I came with a limited amount of skills and very low confidence in what I could do, meaning that I would put myself in a box and doubt myself and my abilities. Now, I'm leaving this internship with a plethora of skills and high confidence in my abilities and what I can do. I can do things than people, yeah. So I just want to give an example of how Ashley just always encouraged us and motivated us to do our very best, and for believing in us, really. So it's like when you have a baby and you throw that baby into a pool, the baby can't really swim, but so that the baby doesn't drown, they start to swim to help keep themselves afloat. So that is what Ashley did with us. She threw us into a pool, and we had to swim to make sure that we didn't drown, in order to survive. Much like this theme. I'm linking it. But yes, I am so grateful and appreciative for Ashley extending to Ashley. What is going on with my English? To Ashley for extending this wonderful opportunity to me. And I just want to say, Ashleigh-Ann, thank you so much.
Okay, so first and foremost, Ashley, I just wanted to say thank you for allowing me to be a part of the Live Well Live Well Jamaica intern for July to October. It has been a blast, and honestly, you have definitely helped me to come out of my shell. Even when there were moments that I really wanted to just crawl right back, you were definitely there to help me and say, come on, Shade, you can do it. That's why I chose this filter. I was going to do it from a normal camera, but I was like, I know a filter that says something that Ashleigh would always say, you can. So thank you so much. You really, really, really brought us, or you allowed us to grow as an individual. Truly, I am more outspoken. I am more comfortable speaking publicly. Not fully, but that is not on your part, on mine. Thank you so much. Not on your part at all. It's definitely on mine. So I just want to say you are definitely a great teacher, and I want you to continue to do this for media interns, for persons who would like to work in the media, for persons who want to just grow or learn a new skill, like right now within the quarantine. As I know, mental TLC would tell us, learn a skill. So it really helped me get through quarantine, keeping me busy. I was never not occupied. So I just want to say, on behalf of the Live Well Media Interns for July to October 2020, we are truly appreciative of this experience, Ashleigh. And for the newcomers, for October to December, or I think to January, we wish you all the best. You'll have fun and stay strong. Our theme was survival, so you're definitely going to be surviving, but get a theme that shows that you stand out throughout the 2020. All right, bye guys.
Thank you, Ashleigh, for this great opportunity to do something that I've never done before. I never thought that I would ever do, to be honest. So I'm really thankful for the experience and the new skills that I've learned. And I'm thankful for when I was working on something, like for example an article. I'm really, really thankful for the extra push that you gave me, along with my team member. But you two really, really pushed me. Thank you for certain pointers that you gave us throughout the process, or helping us brainstorm when we couldn't figure out what we wanted to do or how we wanted to do it. You know? Thank you. Like, really had fun. You really, really saved me in a way too, because I don't know what I would have done with my summer. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ashleigh.